behind your hips. Leaning left, 3 times, take it.
Wait, ready? Go.
I get wasting time. I think lyrics need to rhyme and you're not asking, but I'm trying to grow a mustache. I love it when you say my name. My heart will ask for your first.
Go.
Introducing me. La 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 da. La 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 da.
Hold your feet up. Hold your feet up.
You can grab things like
You gotta lean forward. Hold on.
oh, I got this.
I gotta get into mine. How'd you get into yours?
Feet in first.
Lean forward. Go on your knee.
I can't. It's hard.
Okay, I'm gonna go crisscross. Okay.
Oh,
Feet in first.
I just gave birth to myself.
Oh my god.
Second time. Oh my god.
Yeah, you need a big sweatshirt. Ready? 2.
Oh.
Oh no. Not again. Oh wait, no, I got it. I got it.
Don't fall backwards.
My hand.
Your hands.
Give me your hand.
Don't do that.
Hmm?
You don't do that. You don't put your hands in there.
Yeah, you can.
You can, but you shouldn't.
Why?
Oh, my arms. I'm gonna break this thing.
I know. Can you even see?
You know what I'm getting at?
I need a bigger sweatshirt.
Oh! You can wear my
Sweatshirt.
Okay.
Stripping you.
We're done with that.
You got so much color. Wow. Don't want it to be like white because I did get tan. Got very tan. I am burnt like toast. On the other hand, her mom gave me chia seeds. She and my mom gave me chia seeds because we were talking and she was talking about chia seeds and I was like, oh my god, I've heard of that and I always wanted to try some. But I could never find them in the stores. I don't know if it's just the stores that me and my mom shop at or whatever, but for some reason we can never find chia seeds. If not, what?
Are you recording?
Yeah, come on. Talking about the chia
Your
seeds.
parents are staying an hour and a half away.
What?
Your parents are staying at a hotel an hour and a half away.
What?
They're not staying close by. Your mom.
No!
Yeah. Right, look at that sun behind us. Beep, beep, beep.
Say until you love
Me.
This way.
What? Oh, there's a sidewalk in Cary. I forgot about those.
They don't have those in Canada?
They do. No, they do. It's just not where I am ever.
Let me go. Baby is popping. Oh, I look like a dead rabbit.
You don't. Look at this blondie Tumblr AF. Except for the rat tail. Oh, you fixed it. Where'd the rat tail go? I think it's inside out. Oh, never mind. I look like a slut, but that's okay.
Say until you love.
Something's on my heart. Beep, beep, beep.
The first day you came here, like we were both able to hit all the high.
What? Is that clay?
Probably.
It's red.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh my god.
Say until you love.
You're used to this?
Yeah.
Look at everything has like these tree things. Hey, where are you bringing me?
Fresh Market.
Yeah, we're going to Fresh Market. And you may be thinking, why is she bringing you to a food market?
Come here.
Jill, people actually stop for you when you're crossing roads here. No one was even there. Oh my god, that guy's looking at me. I think I talked too loud.
I was just saying don't walk in the road.
Oh.
I mean, you probably could, but you probably shouldn't.
I run a lot. I don't want to run, but I do run a lot. You feel me?
Interesting.
Yeah. Oh, but anyway, the Fresh Market. What is this?
It's a school?
This is a cool school. Should I not film that?
You can.
Kind of.
Chill. We're just
Kind of
like
notorious.
We're getting hit by
What are we?
cars.
No, we're couple goals. We are married though. Wait, do that artsy thing where it's like.
Oh, I need my hair down for that.
No, you don't. We're couples goals. We're not dating.
I'm supposed to like pull you for it.
Yeah, go. Yeah. Get over here, boo. Yeah, but this market's supposed to be cool or healthy or something. Fresh. That's the name. A little bit.
I have hair in my
That's
toe.
not what the. I don't know. Do I turn it? Do I? All right, we're gonna hold it like this.
I'm drunk.
She's literally drunk. You're getting the cucumber label in it.
Oh, sure is cute.
It's called cucumber flavor wine. It's
Mandy, you can't walk in the street. Mandy, you're gonna get no seriously cars look around.
no one's here.
Don't make me laugh while I have it in my face.
I look good. I just saw my reflection. My booty was like, you know, when
My booty
it just
be popping.
Oh my god. I'm actually like getting, oh my god. That's fun though. Do butterflies have genders?
Yes.
Really?
How are they supposed to reproduce?
Male, what's it called? What's it called?
Seahorses?
Seahorses get Praegers.
So you guys are going to the beach
I'm like, Jaden, how are you feeling? About our last night. I'm mad. You're not leaving. I don't want you. You're not leaving. I have to leave. You're not leaving. I have I know where you like the kind of filter. Your eyes look blue. Yeah.
That was a weird sneeze. Are you sure that you're okay with that?
With what?
That sneeze.
I'm not okay with it.
You're not leaving. You are not leaving.
I have to leave. I don't want to leave. So I was like in my faces. I don't want to leave, but I have to leave. Dodge that. You dodged that. I'll like lick your eye.
I still have makeup on.
No, I don't. What is it? My eyebrow. Oh. I licked your eyelash. Oh my god. This is a really nice paragraph about me. Laying on your boob. That's okay.
It's okay. It's
You
comfortable.
just wrote a really nice paragraph about me. I love you so much, Jaden.
I love you too.
I'm not leaving.
You're not. No, I won't let you.
I'm not. Just like, oh damn it. My mouth was open. Imagine if that just.
out.
I know, you're just like, go.
No, you gotta go like up here or down here or here, here, not here.
I didn't get
I
it.
really don't care.
I want to lick your nose. Doesn't it feel weird?
It does. It feels weird when someone's tongue's in your mouth.
Wow!
Are you putting this on Instagram?
YouTube.